In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a histogram in Google Sheets. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet that contains your data, or create a new one. Make sure your numbers are placed in a single column or row with one value in each cell. Next, highlight the data you want to use. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart for your data. If it doesn't create a histogram right away, go to the Chart Editor panel on the right side of the screen. In the Setup section, find the Chart Type drop-down menu. Click it, scroll down, and select Histogram Chart. Your chart will instantly change into a histogram, showing how your data is distributed. If you want, you can also adjust settings like the bin size in the Customize tab inside the Chart Editor. And that's it. You've successfully created a histogram in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.